Hi everyone, welcome to the stream. I really need to start sticking to the schedule. Yeah, but okay, I'm started. Okay, but I'm starting. So yeah, hi everyone. What was that interesting sound? I don't know. Um, Also, I feel like my webcam is kind of blurry. I don't know. Uh, Hi Twitch, hi YouTube. I don't know if anyone watching here, but I will check check it occasionally. Um, so here's how the app looks like. Here's what the app looks like right now. Um, it's pretty simple. It's more like alpha stage, and but it's actually going to start looking like a usable application today. So basically, basically there's profile with a lot of different things with different, you know, um, different comments. And again, the comments, the profile should look differently. I think it should be redesigned. Um, shouldn't look like a table with lots of technical information, but that's what it looks like right now, and that's okay because I'm just trying to. You're going doing the history update, yes. The history application, and later in an hour and a half, I'm going to do my sort of C++ course, and I'm going to talk about term references, pointers, and objects. Okay, so there is a script that can upload things on, right? Or yeah, I'm going to show you. Let's say, let's do hi. Let's code, right? And it says forbidden. I don't know why. Oops. Yeah. I actually know why. I guess it's because of API key. I changed the API key yesterday, and yeah, it's now different. Let's update it. These things like this configuration should be done using arguments, but like argparse model. But for now, it's just good enough for testing. Okay, let's do this. Let's do hi, watch people code. Let's do hi Twitch. I have not found that. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Hi Twitch. Let's do single quotes. You asked for UUID suggestions. Like what? I don't remember what you suggested, so please tell me. Hi Twitch. I know it's on YouTube, except me. Okay. Therefore, stop. Well, I will consider this. It's definitely a good idea to extract to get UUID from a FSTab if there is one, but it worries me somewhat. Maybe it's a bit. I don't know. I mean, I sort of like it. I worry that FSTab isn't guaranteed to contain IDs, serial number from which the. Let's see. Okay, Unix ID of machine. We actually should do ID of a system. Get them a unique ID from. How is the UID? Once you have the device, okay. Okay, host ID. Okay, host ID. Let's test it. No comment. Oh, that's because I'm using OS6. Why would there be this comment? DME ID code. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, right. So okay, here's average people code, here's height reach, here's host ID. And yeah, there is some ID, as you can see, and the ID is calculated by combining process ID and well, um, this these numbers, alright, and this sort of ID. So as you can see, there is now history. So it works. But it's at this stage it's more like alpha, because for example, yeah, actually this should be. There is lots of stack traces. When you press Ctrl C, so these IDs eliminate repeating comments when we press Ctrl C. Oh, so I've been thinking about implementing some sort of a different way of uploading the comments, because I'm worried that sometimes it takes too long. For example, if I do echo 70, it takes a while to actually upload it. So it's not instantaneous. For example, compared to normal bash, you do clear and well, you do echo something, and you get your shell, your prompt instantly. But here you do echo 70, and it takes a couple of seconds, which isn't the good way to live with. Oh, hi, 8 people are watching. Thanks for watching me on Twitch. Thanks for watching me on Watch People Code. Yeah, I guess I should stick to the schedule. By the way, okay, let's go. Let's just write some code. Basically, I just want to figure out how to return a shell instantaneously. Well, not return a shell, return a prompt. Right. So here's what it looks like. To have export this thing, and I'm wondering if you can stick just an ampersand here to run it in the background. And maybe this is possible. Let's try it. Okay, it's prints a bunch of information, but that's not difficult to disable. So let's just comment out print payload. Let's do clear here. Let's do echo test. Echo. And well, what worries me is that it actually runs in the background. Okay, let's maybe we could try using no hub. What if it gets stuck? Well, I don't know. I guess it shouldn't stuck. If it gets stuck, this would suck. I don't know. I haven't figured out how to kill this. That worries me, but I actually don't know how to solve that. You could write some code you could write some timeout. So for example, you could make a request, wait for 30 seconds, or like for 3 minutes, and with timeouts, you just exit. So there is a way to sort of make this problem less critical, but I don't think that it's possible to prevent it from happening. I mean, I guess just time out and quitting after 3 minutes is good enough. If it gets stuck, you can always type something like ps grab hist sync like uh, print $2 kill xargs kill minus David minus 9. Maybe you can replace bash with Europa. I thought about it. I would prefer not to replace it because it should be very non-intrusive. It should be as non-intrusive as possible. So we should just use vanilla bash and it should just work with vanilla bash. Otherwise, people won't install it. Personally, I wouldn't install this. If it requires me to do some complex manipulations, I'm not going to use it. I just want to try. Diamond would definitely be nice, but it's kind of complicated. I guess a diamond is a good idea, but at the same time, you need to figure out where to store these comments, how to make sure that diamond is always being run, and so on, and like how to run diamonds on OS X, how to run diamonds on Linux, and different various distros, and so on and so on, and it's just not fun. I guess I will release the beta version that will just work if you have internet connection, and it will have API. And if people want to create some sort of a diamond, that would be great. Or maybe I will create a diamond. Okay, so this is really annoying. Let's just fine. Okay, let's see what's here. There's some stuff. Okay, let's try NoHub. Let me just kill this thing. Okay, let's try NoHub. Oh, that was a notification from Adil. Yeah, let's ignore all the output and let's see. Oh, hi, Statite. Okay, it worked for a while, but guess it no longer works. What the hell? Wasn't my Skype? Let's kill it again. Too. Oops. 42. So it stopped working. This isn't fun. Why isn't it working? Okay, let's try this. Let's try Echo 50. Did it just stop working? You redirect output of history, maybe. No, I'm pretty sure I redirect the output of NoHub. NoHub can detach from console. No such file or directory. Am I not the only one breaking stuff today? What do you mean? Okay, let's remove no help and make sure that the command works. Okay, let's try 55 here. Okay, worked. It worked. Let's try no help. Let's try echo 60, 56, 57. And again, for some reason it doesn't work with no hub. I don't know why. Ah. Is there another similar utility? You mean there was shell sync which did similar things? Yeah, that's what I'm considering right now. You can do OS fork. Just fork it. Python to fork. I'm wondering what it returns. Returns 0 in the child and child process ID in the parent. Okay, let's try this. No, I don't like Python 3. I mean, it's not bad, but I just don't see a point of using Python 3. I have Python 2. So, okay, here we have stuff. And let's just do it. Okay, let's do this. If OS Python, sorry, no. If OS fork equals to 0, we are going to do stuff. Leave, we are going to do nothing. Right, we just exit. So I suppose this should make make it instantaneous. Well, it's almost instantaneous. Echo 70, echo 71, echo 72. Almost. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure that. I'm wondering what would be a better way to execute this. Okay, it works. Look at that. So let's remove this. Will this be slower? Echo 73, 75, echo 79. Okay, it's definitely slower without fork. Okay, let's try echo test. Here's the code. It's actually available. Okay, the code is simple. We create a new process and we just exit if there is no, like here. So we fork a child process and we make a request in child process, and otherwise we just exit from the program. So it makes things faster, but it's not instantaneous for some reason. I mean, I'm wondering why it takes. I'm wondering why why the delay is disabled. You can. I'm pretty sure you can uh, make it really small. What the hell? Oh, okay. Right. Um, okay, stop that. What if work somehow waits for stuff? Um, well, it just spawns a process. I mean, maybe it's not instantaneous. It definitely can wait for stuff, but I don't think that spawning a new process is that expensive. So, kind of not sure. Okay, stop this. What happens if you add to the end of the command line? It creates a background job and it prints a lot of stuff to the terminal. And I'd like to be as quiet as possible. And I don't think there is a way to disable that printing. So it's not perfect. Okay. Okay. Um, let's say we don't want to make requests at all. Let's see how expensive it gets. Okay. Well, let's see how much time does it take to launch Python interpreter. So let's just comment out everything here, and we have Python. Yeah, apparently we can't make it much faster. Although maybe if maybe if I write it in Bash. I mean, wait a second. Echo doesn't actually spawn the process. It's a built-in. We should use. There is an Echo that isn't built-in, but let's see how much time does it take to launch it. Okay, so launching a process is really inexpensive, and Python client is just slow. Python is just slow as fuck. Well, not as fuck. I think that 1/5 of a second is a reasonable time to, but it's unacceptable. No, I mean it's pretty good. It's nothing compared to Java. Uh, it's nothing compared to Java, but it's still slow. That was unexpected. So now I don't know how to. I actually don't know what to do. I guess I could write a bash script that works in Curu or Kuru. Wait, what happens if we comment out this stuff? So just literally an empty file. Okay, wait a second. The start time is a lot more reasonable. Okay, it's not perfect, but so it's imports that take a lot of time, and I think it's reasonable. It's like really a lot more reasonable. It's just almost instant. Okay, let's find the model that just. Okay, is it fucking requests? If so, we should really stop using them. Okay, it's a request model, and Actually, requests aren't a part of standard library, and I guess it would be better to make clients use only standard things, right? Just makes more sense, I think. Yeah, it would be much better to not require anything except Python standard library. And Python has some niceness. So yeah. So let's just use URL lib. Oh damn it! And URL lib is just so much not fun. Um, and if you keep it as a service, what do you mean? Do you mean it's like demonize it? I think it's possible to write a daemon, but you need to figure out how to launch it, and it's just not easy. I mean, it's easy to figure out for one distro operating system, like for one distro of Linux, but in multiple distros there are different ways of launching a daemon. So it's not a good idea. I really would like not to force people to figure out how to launch an unknown daemon. Just check on Basher, see if it's running, and fork it if it's not. Well, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. I'm going, but at the same time, you still have an issue of making a request to a daemon, right? So the issue is that importing requests takes like 100 milliseconds. Well, it's still possible, but I don't know. Is it really superior? I don't feel like writing a daemon, and you still need to launch a client and make it exit fast enough. So, on the other hand, maybe it's possible to. Alright, how do I do a fork in Bash? Okay, so what we need to do. I wonder if people are migrating to watch people code or they are bored. Um, okay, I think I know and I have an idea. Basically, I think I figured it out. So let's have this. Um, that's not print payload. It's just Let's just do this. Let's have OS here. It's imported. So if it isn't equal to this, let's just do this exit. And we actually need to do shell pid. Let's just do get shell pid before forking. So let's send shell pid here. And next thing, let's see. Okay, much better, much better. Let's do echo 57. Okay, it feels a lot more smoother. It's not perfect, but it doesn't annoy me. Maybe there is a way to fix it further. Okay. Okay, I haven't checked the tube in a while. Okay, so yeah, it takes only 50 milliseconds, but I think that in the end it should take like 10 milliseconds or less. I think it's possible to do it. Okay, I'm going to generate a new API key and commit this thing. Send command in the child process. Okay, let's just push it. So it's nice. I guess we need to yeah, okay, whatever. I think we need to create a file. A log file. So actually, let's update the readme here, because that's not the way to use this. And let's actually create a new thing. So this is annoying. So yeah, it says forbidden. I shouldn't have generated a new key. Let's update the key. I don't know, maybe history gets written after prompt comment is executed. So I guess it has something to do with timing. So try printing history one, try setting history one as a prompt comment. Try doing this. Okay, so what's now? Hist sync log. I'm never able to remember the order of redirecting everything into one file. I mean, both std out and both std out and the std error. Okay, let's try a new API key. What's now? Let's see. Let's Control C a couple. Okay, it didn't work. This because I forgot to set. Okay, let's copy this. It looks a lot better. Import login. Try accept exception as here. Login exception. Okay, let's actually answered login. Yeah, let's basically settle off the boilerplate here. Let's just set up nice the formatting and there was a nice table. So there was a nice table of formatting. Actually, I think I have. Actually, I think I asked a question once. Yeah, this is me. This is great. I asked the question on Stack Overflow once. Okay, questions. Where are questions? Why can't it just show all my questions? Yes, I found this. Created. Running history with popen doesn't return shit. Maybe because there is no history, it's built in. I don't think it should return something. There is no, I mean, it's a built-in. It's not an actual command, to my knowledge. Maybe I'm wrong though, but I don't think there is an actual binary. Try something like, I don't know, maybe something like this will work. Okay, so okay, for some reason it still doesn't return history. I don't know how to make it return something. Okay, let's add process here. Okay, let's see what's in log. Yeah, okay, it logs nicely. I think it's okay. I think it's the simplest way to add. Let's try setting up basic config. I just want to Python login parent pid. We need got an expresses keyword extra. Okay. Let's try this. Oops. Shall be div. That should be div. Okay, I'm too lazy to figure out how to log this. So let's not bother with logging shell pid for now. We'll just make a commit. Don't spam terminal with debug messages. And let's push it. Hi, sorry for missing your message. I'm making a Cloud Bash history application. It works like this. You can log in with your GitHub account. You can then get an API key, put it into your client script, and set up bash prompt, and then every command you type in your terminal gets uploaded to the server. So that's how it works. I have some ideas on how to make people share their comments. But I guess it won't be easy. So it would be nice if people share certain comments just because it would be cool. So yeah, okay. 10 years, so that's nice. Thank you for watching, by the way. Okay, what should I do now? In 30 minutes, there will be my sort of C++ course where I'm going to talk about references, pointers, and things like that. Maybe about copying objects. So yeah, by the way, here's the code. If you need code, you can play with it. Um, so okay, did I explain it clearly, or do you need a better explanation? Because it's just a thing that uploads your bash history on every comment, and so you can never miss a comment. I'm really annoyed. I'm really annoyed when I just can't find my favorite comment. There should be a nice API. It's not perfect yet. There should be search and everything. But I guess I will finish working on this app within a week. So yeah, that would be actually really nice. I mean, what we need right now is to make people share comments, maybe some sort of a voting system, but I don't think it's really that necessary. What's next? Yeah, maybe some voting system, but I don't know. So command line client should be better, a bit better. So it should be cleaned up and everything. And the interface with the profile should look a bit better. Maybe a little bit stylish, and there should be source and nicer API. I guess I will be able to finish working this up within like within like 7 days. And so yeah, what's now? Yeah, let me know if you have questions about the application. Uh, Meanwhile I could clean it up a bit. Arc parse. I stop in the stream. I'm taking a break, and then there will be C++ stream. So I'm considering whether I definitely want to take a small break, at least 15 minutes. So I'm wondering if I should take a larger break or implement something within like the remaining 20 minutes. So I don't really know. I don't know. The lag seems higher than usual. Okay, let me check this real quick. Make a poll. No, I don't really want to make a poll because I don't really know what to work on. I guess I could clean up a client a little bit, or maybe write some sort of install script, or maybe read about login. Yeah, I really like making polls, by the way. Polls are nice. The lags, I don't know, the settings are usual. There is nothing unusual in settings. Let me refresh the thing. That's me says lag. Testing, lag. I know, looks pretty normal to me. Okay, so I guess I will take a break. There isn't much to do except maybe like cleaning up a client, making nice arc parse interface. But I worry that it won't fit within 15 minutes. It's not that difficult to make nice parameters. What about syncing the comments? What do you mean about syncing the comments? I mean, I don't really want to override bash history right now, but I will. There will be an API that would make this really easy. I mean, I actually don't know. I mean, how would this work? I just have no idea. For example, I like having separate bash history. So yeah, I like having separate bash histories in different shells. Some people like synchronizing bash histories on every comment. So every shell has all shells share the same history, and there are different usage patterns. So I'm not sure about synchronizing from shell. I mean, that would be an option that allows you to manually synchronize it, but personally, I don't feel like I need synchronization. We'll see. I guess it won't be. I guess I won't bother implementing this in beta. I mean, there will be an API, so people will be able to write their own script or like short one-liner that does this and put it into bash.bashrc. But I just don't know if it's possible to make some sort of built-in solution. So yeah. Okay, I'm taking a short break, like half an hour, and in half an hour there will be C++ course, sort of. Okay, so see you in 30 minutes.